Coming up in this month's episode of Strata, Portraits of Humanity. In the center of North America 4 centuries ago, Spanish conquistadors searched in vain for fabled cities of gold. The expedition into North America's heartland led these men to an American civilization that eventually would fade from memory. In what is now known as the state of Kansas, after poring over an old Spanish journal and a long-ignored map, archaeologist Dr. Don Blakesley invited high-tech specialists to peer beneath the surface of the Great Plains. Join Dr. Rick Pettigrew and his team as they capture this journey to rediscover the site of a 400-year-old pitched battle between the Spanish army and the native Wichita people in the long-forgotten land of Quivira. This is a story you won't want to miss. Strata, Portraits of Humanity, May 15th, only on the Archaeology Channel.